The world is buzzing with the talk about AI replacing humans, and to some extent, that might be true. I have my own opinion on this, but one thing I can say for sure, technology is making our lives more comfortable. Today I'm gonna tell you about an AI bot that my experienced team and I developed. This assistant can provide opportunities that many people dream of their entire lives. Think of it as a free assistant that does your work for you, just like a real professional. My name is Nathan and I've been a trader for 8 years. Over the years, I've studied hundreds of strategies, tested dozens of approaches, and ultimately realized that the speed of analysis is a key to success. That's why I decided to create an intelligent bot to handle the heavy lifting. And you know what's most exciting? This tool isn't just useful for experienced traders, it's perfect for people who have never traded before. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this trading assistant works. I'll conduct a masterclass on working with AI, so stay with me until the end. By the time we finish, you will understand how this bot can introduce you to trading if you are a beginner or refine your approach if you are already trading. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we continue, I have an important update for you. I want to give you the opportunity to try out the AI bot for yourself. The bot independently analyzes data, calculates possible scenarios, and suggests the perfect decisions. Inside my private community, you will not only get free access to this tool, but also connect with people who are already using it in their trading. You won't have to figure everything out on your own. The bot will handle the complex work for you and will help you understand how to use it effectively. Every day, members of my community use this bot and accomplish things they once thought were out of reach. Now, anyone, even those who have never heard of trading, has access to this opportunity. However, there is one catch. I personally oversee the process to ensure that each new participant understands how to use the bot correctly. That means access to the community is only available for a limited time. If you are interested in testing this tool and seeing it in action, pause this video, click the link in the description, and get access to AI-powered trading. See for yourself how technology can open doors to new opportunities. Now, let's continue. My platform is already open and I'm starting with 50. My bot has already sent the pairs we'll be working with. Let's select them. Alright. Good. Indicators won't be needed today, as my smart assistant is handling all the analysis. Alright, I'm all set, my bot is ready analyzing the first pair, so it's time to begin. So, I see that the bot has already conducted the analysis and detected a change in the chart's dynamics. It identified increased seller activity with the price line gradually moving downward. This gradual decline indicates that there are more sell orders than buy orders in the market. I agree with the bot's assessment and join the trend as the chart clearly shows a downward movement. Additionally, I've noticed a change in the slope of a line which further confirms the overall direction. The first trade started exactly as I expected. The gradual decline in the price line indicates a dominance of sellers. Let's see how the situation develops. For this pair, the AI bot has already conducted its analysis and suggests moving downward. No arguments here. Let's act. I see that the price has reached a specific upper boundary. Previously, it attempted to break above this level multiple times, but then reversed each time. After reaching its boundary again, the chart starts to decline. Since this pattern has been observed before, I decide to follow through in a trade in the downward direction, just as my bot suggested. As you can see, after hitting the upper level, the price is gradually shifting downward. This could indicate a dominance of sellers in the market. My bot correctly identified the direction. Let's see what else it can do. How do you like it so far? Are you starting to see what this assistant is capable of? When I first started, I had to figure everything out on my own. make mistakes, and spend time searching for a working strategy. But now, I've created an AI bot that makes the process clear and accessible, even for those who have never tried trading before. This bot isn't just an algorithm, it is a tool that analyzes the market without emotions, calculates possible scenarios, and provides actionable recommendations. It eliminates unnecessary risks, doesn't panic, and avoids random mistakes. Inside my private community, so many people are testing its capabilities, following its logic and learning from market breakdowns that give them a whole new perspective. And all of us completely free, while I personally guide each new participant and help them understand the details. But I can't guarantee this will last forever, so right now, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join us. See how the bot can work for you and take your first step toward new opportunities. I'll be waiting for you in the community. Let's continue. Here, the AI bot likely noticed that the price has dropped to a support zone where previously rebounds have occurred. In the past, whenever the price reached this level, it bounced back upward. Based on this, the bot decided to change direction and go up, testing whether the bounce would happen again. Let's follow the bot and observe. Once again, my assistant made the right call and I'm already liking our numbers. Moving on to the next pair. The AI bot suggests going up. Well, let's act on it. I can see that the chart is demonstrating a steady upward trend. The price line is consistently moving up without sharp fluctuations, indicating strong buyer dynamics. Let's see if our bot was right. Excellent! The upward trend continued, and my assistant once again proved its analytical capabilities. Let's move forward with the session. After a period of steady growth, the chart suddenly reversed. I noticed that the AI bot has detected that after a sharp rise, the price line is starting to decline. The shift in the slope suggests that sellers may now be obtaining control of the market. Alright, my bot has already given me the instructions. It's telling me to go down. No hesitations, my friend. Let's act. Amazing! My bot has absorbed all the knowledge and now is executing trades flawlessly. Meanwhile, I've received new information from the bot. Moving on to the next pair. My assistant is indicating a downward movement. Great, let's go for it. I see that the price has reached the support level and made a small bounce upwards. However, the price is returning to the same level and compression is occurring. Candles are getting smaller, dynamics are slowing down. This is often a sign of an impending breakout. Let's observe. Everything is going great as always, and now I want to execute the final trade, especially since my bot is already analyzing the next pair. Alright, our bot is indicating a downward move. Let's follow its guidance, and then I'll give my comments. Perfect! Now I see that a deep correction has started, and the price has reached a mirrored resistance level. This level was previously a support, but after a breakout, it became a zone where the price might bounce back down. That's why I agree with my boss assessment. Let's watch the results. Fantastic! Look at how well my bot performed. It's crucial to keep up with the times and take advantage of modern technology. Remember how this video started. Now you've seen for yourself how my AI bot analyzes the market and provides trading decisions in real time. But let me be honest, even the smartest technology works most effectively when there is a mentor to explain the nuances and show you how to use the tool effectively. I didn't just create this AI bot. I personally train community members so they can use it in the way I do. In trading, it is not just about choosing a direction. It is about understanding why a move should be made at the specific moment, what risks are involved, and how to proceed. Without a structured system and mentorship, even the most advanced tool won't bring real benefits. That's why I work daily with members of my private community, answering their questions, teaching them how to use the bot effectively. Trading always involves risks, so it's important to be careful. What will you find inside the community? Access to the AI bot that simplifies the trading process. My personal mentorship. I will explain how to use the bot and trade with confidence. Live trading breakdowns, so you can understand market logic and apply it yourself. A community of like-minded individuals, all using the bot and striving toward their goals together. But most importantly, you won't be left alone with this tool. I'll be there to help you master it, answer your questions, and ensure you avoid common mistakes so you can progress faster. Right now, the community is open to those who are ready to learn and take action. And just to remind you, joining is completely free. All you need to do is click the link in the description below this video and join us. Let's make 2025 a truly transformative year. I'll be waiting for you in our community. And remember, even the greatest strategies don't guarantee 100% success. Trading always carries risks. That's all for now. See you soon.